Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hello gorgeous. I hope everyone is doing well today. So as you can tell by the title, I am making breakfast for a family of 3. We are a family of 4, but today I'm just making breakfast for my girls and myself. We are going to have bacon and eggs. And for me, I'm going to have Kodiak pancakes, which is my favorite. Now it is chocolate chip. I got this from, what's her name? It's Shay Curry. So shout out to her because she stands by Kodiak chocolate chip pancakes. I used to use the regular, I think it's like the buttermilk Kodiak pancakes. But girl, if you try chocolate chip, you will love it. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray my pan. Of course, that is with some olive oil. I think I either got that from either the Dollar Tree, or if not, it was from Publix. So yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and get started here, and hopefully I will not burn the food. I don't think I burned it. I'm going to use my Kodiak pancakes. Actually, I'm gonna make it in a waffle form. That waffle maker, I actually got it from Amazon, so I'm going to talk to you about that a little bit later. Alright, so my seasoning, I am just going to use regular salt and pepper, and then again I'm going to spray the pan. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and get the waffle maker heated up. I paid about between $7 to $12 for this little waffle maker. I was a little bit disappointed when I got it, but actually that waffle maker is the perfect size. And what you do is you just press that little button and it'll heat up. You'll know when it's ready when the light goes off. Then that's when you'll just spray your pan and put your batter on there, is what I want to say. So in the meantime, while that was actually heating up, I decided to go ahead and flip this bacon over because I'm trying my hardest not to burn food. As I stated in the beginning of the video, I burn food all the time. So here I'm just going ahead and put my eggs on. And while that is like heating up, getting its thing together, I'm gonna go ahead and whip up my batter. Now for the batter, you really do not need a lot. I put around maybe like a fourth of the mix in, and I just mix it with water. Now if you're using the buttermilk kind, I would suggest using like some type of almond milk because it'll thicken it up and it will add a little bit of flavor to it. I don't know, to me it just tastes better with almond milk versus water, but because I am using chocolate chip, I guess the chocolate chip kind of like overrides that water bland taste. But trust me, if you use some type of milk substance, it will taste a whole lot better than just regular water. Now this waffle maker, of course, it is so small, and as you can see, I'm only adding a little bit at a time, and then I'm just spreading it across. Because if you know, like any other waffle maker, as soon as you push it down, the actual waffle itself is going to rise. And then if you see the waffle maker start to lift up, then that means you put too much batter. So here, girl, is my eggs. Like I don't like my eggs to be scrambled, so I just like it the way you just saw it. So here's the waffle. I'm going to use maple syrup. Yes, and then I'm going to pour that on my waffles. I love it. I actually love strawberries on top of mine. Sometimes some bananas, but yes, just 2 pieces of bacon, a little bit of maple syrup, and 2 waffles. Boom. So here I'm fixing London's plate. Tanaja, I don't even think she was here that day, but child, I'm eating my bacon. I'm gonna have my waffles and it's gonna be good. So I will see you guys a little bit later, and I hope everyone is having a great week. Yeah, girls, I'll check you out. Bye.